Really impressive vehicle too. Beautiful color, orange interior. Sports package. Really impressive car in an autocross. Really powerful car. More than I was expecting it to be. So we got the interior on orange. It looks really good and really great seats. Fantastic looking little car. Really impressed with the M235M. Got a nice ionized dark issue. I can't remember what that I'm lost with colors right now. But really great little car. This beautiful car. I like the rear. I'm not a great fan, but this thing with a little bit drop with some nice 18-inch wheels make a huge difference. And alrighty guys, well, that's it. So here we are in the M235i. First time in this car. It's got a nice orange interior, automatic transmission, the 8-speed CF most likely. I think this has got about 300 horsepower, all-wheel drive. Great little car. Okay. Off we go. First I drove in the 235i. I've driven in the autocross just about an hour ago. Great little car. I was really impressed with this baby. Let's see. Move this window a little bit. So we got a nice nav, all digital screens. As the young lady said, that we are heading. It's got a fantastic Martin Luther King, take a right. It's got a fantastic note, even though it's a 4-cylinder turbo. It's a great exhaust note. Now, since I don't know where I'm going, this got nice brake feel. Very nice smooth power for a 4-cylinder. Feels quite nice. A lot of torque, obviously. When I was on the autocross, this thing pulls hard. Very impressed with this car. Kind of similar to an E36 size. The ride is firm but not very unbearable. It's really nice. Got a digital speeder here. I'm not used to all this technology coming in from an E90 and E36, but I'm sure once you get used to it, it's really nice. Let's take a little bit of lift here. Obviously the transmission is really, yeah, the torque is instantly here once you push it down. Very pleasant car to drive. Quite, oh yeah, suspension is a little bit tough. It's obviously, it's probably got run flats, so it makes it ride a little harsher, but it's a little fantastic car nonetheless. Let's see, hold on a second, let's see what we turn. It's pushing me. Oh crap, you feel that? 18th Street. So I felt a little bit of vibration getting out of my lane. Hope this hit it. This has got a really loud exhaust note for what it is. Sport individual. Got standard. The route for the BMW course. So now that I know it, wow, this thing really picks up. I'm really shocked. It's got 300 horsepower and about the same torque. I'm not sure. I haven't read the specs on this one. They're always changing it, but fantastic little car. It's a definitely different, smallish car, but great power. This thing handles great. I was really impressed in the autocross. It really held its own well. Wow. Yeah, suspension is a little bit firm, but nothing bad. I'll take off my mask a little bit. Obviously, we got the navigation on. I'm not gonna touch the settings on it since I'm not gonna mess with the thing. We're here to experience the drive. Really fantastic car. Yeah, I believe this is based off the Mini Cooper's. It is based off the Mini Cooper's chassis. So I'm very impressed with it. I think this rides in the same chassis as the X1. So wow, it's really nice. Obviously, try to push to learn it, but I think it's a really fantastic little car so far. I could live with this one of those. A small car, the transmission's on sport. So we got the stop here. Stop on right on cross. I know we can go straight a little bit. It's supposed to go. Yeah, great little car. Obviously, the steering is a little bit. It's a little bit synthetic, but it is got a direct feel to it, so it's not bad at all. Definitely direct, but yeah, it's a little numb. Obviously, that's expected of some of the electric steering we have nowadays in all these BMWs, but still a great little feeling of the car. You can see, yeah, the exhaust noise is really sporty. That's supposed to definitely have a sport exhaust. Sounds fantastic, to be honest, and it's loud and a little louder than I would expected it to be out of 4-cylinder turbo, but it sounds great. It's I don't know what the price of this car is. Probably around the low 40s, the way it is. So, but a really impressive car. If anybody's looking for something like this, yeah, this is a fantastic little car, and it has a lot of capabilities, to be honest. So, can't go wrong with this girl. Obviously, the interior, it's got a nice orange, black, and it's got a grayish interior. I don't know what the color is of it yet, but really nice package. I'll probably prefer this on a blue or something like that, but as you can see, you got the navigation in the middle. And what road is this? So we get 205, take a right on 9th. What is road is this? I have no idea. Martin Luther King. Oh yeah, we gotta take a right here anyway. Brakes are good. Brakes really nice. Really, it settles, doesn't push or doesn't up front its nose. It's really stable. Really comfortable. This has got a little confusing to me. I'm not used to these things. Obviously, everything's controlled through here. Got the nice controls. I like the finish of it. It's got a nice, it's like a cloth type aluminum finish. Oh yeah, this is a hoot, this little car. All-wheel drive, a fantastic little car for Florida, especially in the rain. This thing must be a really entertaining car. So yeah, this is a great. It feels really good. I think it's E36 kind of ish, like E46 kind of same size. Obviously the power is fantastic. I mean, you never know. This car's got a lot of electronic wizardry. You know, it's just a. I'm gonna have to get a little. Oh, this guy's gonna have to let me go a little bit. Oh, this doesn't have the 3. Oh, and I just missed the turn. Shit. Oh yeah. Well, the handle's good. Really impressed with the car. Yes, I would recommend this car. Really interesting what BMW is doing nowadays. All-wheel drive, fast. Yeah, it's an interesting time. Absolutely. Everything's here. You got the navigation. You got the speed limit of the road. Obviously, that's getting about 22.1 miles to the gallon. So yeah, this car just, you know, entices you to just the floor, to be honest. So yes. So it's not here, but the next. Yeah, I missed my entrance, but oh well. I shouldn't go straight, but it's got start stop. I don't see the start stop. Alrighty guys, hope you enjoyed that a little bit. Sorry it's a little rough. I'm learning this is my first time on the route, so it's not as easy, but now that I know the route, that should be able to control a little more.